Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be showing you how to send XRP from Robinhood to Tangem Wallet. First, you'll need to get your Tangem Wallet address. Open the Tangem Wallet, access your account, and select the cryptocurrency you want to receive, which is XRP. After selecting XRP, tap on the Receive option, usually found in the Balance section. Your wallet address will appear, copy it. Make sure you choose the correct network, as different cryptocurrencies and networks use different addresses. Always double-check that the selected crypto and network match before proceeding. Next, open your Robinhood account. Select XRP from your crypto list or tap the Send option on the home screen. If you have enough balance, the Send button will be available. Enter the required details, including the amount you want to send and the correct network. Before submitting, carefully review all the information to avoid mistakes. Once everything looks good, tap Continue or Process to complete the transfer. And that's it. Your XRP will be successfully transferred from Robinhood to your Tangem wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.